Gold H1 time frame. This week alone, since Monday open, gold has collapsed almost $100. And after this vertical dump, I think psychology have changed in a big way, and this is a big damage for gold sentiment. Not just small player, all type of player from small to weak to long term. So this is H1 where intraday trader buy or sell something they trade. So this will be your first resistance if price goes up as a correction, and here you have psychological level 2600. So that was our target in free video, also when I updated in Telegram. So this is a big level, technically is 2605, psychologically is 2600, and if this level breakout, next one is 2530. So either price stays sideways on this area, makes more correction, or more vertical dump, and you have big news this week. But I think H4 chart is best for intraday trader to make their trade plan, where they should be buying or selling, where should be their target. In a free video like I updated, near 2700 was our sale zone and profit target was 2600. And if you sell above 2680, that's mean last week or starting this week, then this is profit taking area. This is not a place for new sale entry. And if you see H4 with full detail and compare RSI, then this week RSI low, you can see it was more oversold than this sideways range. So technically RSI was most oversold than price. So technically near 2600 gold is highly oversold. From here either it go back to 2650 as correction or dump 2530. So either it correct from current price or from 2530, but it need a correction before going anywhere. And after this vertical dump almost $100 this week alone, that this is minor or big correction or trend reversal. Still we do not have COT data how much they dumped this week. I gave warning, they are dumping for last few weeks. They dumped more this week in big way. There was big dumping in GLD. Data is available in news company. So clearly buy the rumor, sell the news fact. After election, Trump win and dump. Currently there is RSI divergence, same like upside. Similarly on downside, you can see price making lower low, but RSI making lower high. So RSI divergence is only pattern right now, plus you have static horizontal support level, plus market is highly oversold based on technical and based on sentiment. Either price make correction from current price or goes vertical direct to 2530. And since this is for intraday scalper, I explained H1, I like H4 for trade plan. But if you see every time frame outside the H4, on daily there is a trend line near 2600 level, and price stopped and it is sideways. Same trend line also visible on weekly time frame near 2600 level. So daily, weekly trend line near 2600 and price struggling to go down more. On intraday you have seen a big support level, and above weekly you have monthly chart. Like I said, monthly have no support. For trade plan, current price area near 2600, this is the level. Outside first resistance 2650, retest you will see again. Technically it is bearish. and if price goes up from here, then it will make head and shoulder chart pattern, which I was expecting before election. Right now this could be right shoulder, but on this area you will have to buy with tight SM and proper risk management. But technically it is bearish, and let's see what gold do next after CPI and Fed speech. So before CPI say anything, many FOMC members have given a speech. More will come after CPI. But in free video I said before CPI number, it come high or low does not matter. Both way it is bearish for gold. And Fed gave a hint last week. Inflation, that is mean deflation, also a problem. And you have seen big dump in gold. I don't think investor will wait for zero inflation number.